Quiet on the set. No more chicken movement. It was Sack, which is skinny ass kid. And thankfully it's 4-man now, which is a lot more better. I've definitely had a lot of run-ins with pigs. I've been charged by them. I've had to tackle them down and got a good relationship with the wild boars. Wild boar, all day. Like they're the most gnarly animals that you can find and just ruthless. Not as good looking as me, but still good looking. Oh, definitely a shark. That'd be a rugged way to go, fighting a bear. Probably stealing cars. I never got caught, but I figure it's one of these days they're gonna find out. Awaken the animal within, or sharpen your tusks. Don't steal those though, Decked. That was a cop rated. And that's a wrap. Tailgate talk, first tailgate talk.